This is an owner-builder project, about 35 miles northwest of the city of Denver. Husband and wife team, and Gary's running the project with Matt and Annie.
Matt and Annie Skidmore.
Yeah, Matt and Annie Skidmore.
And we're also about 50 miles just east of Boulder, Colorado. And project started about 3 months ago. They're making great progress. The roof is going on next week. The building's just about is totally framed up. We're doing the exterior trim now. They're about halfway done on that, and it's moving right along.
And why did they hire HomeWrights? What's their motivation to work with you guys?
Well, they realize that they need some help on this because Annie in the past has strictly done interior finish and design. She's never brought a house out of the ground, so they realize their need for professionals to help them manage this product.
They knew what they didn't know.
That helps.
And they knew that they didn't have all of the resources at their fingertips. So that's a big part of what we brought, in addition to the expertise of helping them manage the job on a day-to-day basis.
So between the two of you, you've got quite a bit of experience in the construction world. At what point did you walk into the game? You didn't start at the beginning of this one, right?
Sure.
Oh, you did?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I was thinking you came in partway into the project.
This was right from the start. This was Matt and Annie were clients of HomeWrights right from the planning phase. The first time we met Matt and Annie, the plans were in a concept phase. They were nothing more than sketches on a sheet of paper.
Excellent. Did they debate whether they should do the turnkey approach or the owner-builder approach, or?
I don't think so. I think the owner-builder approach was the goal right from the start. Our website, our advertising is what attracted them to give us a call, because they wanted to be owner-builders. They want the control, and they have the knowledge in the industry, and they wanted to be running their own project.
And so, Gary, you're here on a more frequent basis than Bob. What kind of things do you do as you come onto the work site here?
Well, I come in here to answer any questions that they have, to check on the work, see how it's going, look for any issues that have to be addressed, and give them a heads up on what they can expect next.
And have you had any surprises?
Well, there's always surprises in a custom home. This home has never been built before, so there's always issues to address. If you built it a few times, you would iron out most of the details. But I would say that for the progress that Annie Skidmore has made with our help, is professional builder couldn't have done it any quicker. Okay.
So is that one of the advantages that HomeWrights brings to the table? Is the speed of completion is different? Or is it?
Well, we have vetted subs and suppliers, and the labor is very key in doing any kind of home building project, and that's a HomeWrights strength, and that's what we bring to the table. Besides our expertise, I've been building custom homes for about 26 years now, and Bob even longer. So. And between everybody else in the company, we have over 130 years of experience in the construction industry.
I think one of the other things that contributes to the speed of a project, particularly a project like this, is the problem-solving capability. Because an owner-builder might encounter some kind of a problem that could stall the project for several days or sometimes weeks, if they don't know where to begin looking to solve that problem. And in the case of this particular project, there's been a couple of those, and Gary simply knows intuitively how to solve those problems. Doesn't even have to think about it. He just knows who to call and immediately knows what remedy to recommend, and the problem is solved within 24 hours or less. And so I think that's been one of our strengths, and Gary's been able to bring that to this job on a real regular basis.